In this short tutorial, I will show you how to limit the battery charge of your Samsung device to 85%. Many users are unaware that constantly charging their smartphone to 100% can actually degrade the battery over time. By limiting the charge to 85%, you can significantly extend the lifespan of your phone's battery. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Battery and Device Care. After that, tap Battery. And then scroll down to the bottom. Tap More Battery Settings. Now you will see an option called Protect Battery. To extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. All you have to do now is simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.